y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's Niahshontae and I am back with another video, and me and Asia are back in the airport.
Hello.
We're going on a trippy trip. I'll wait. So we're back. It's April 6th and we're going to, why are we going? It's gonna be my birthday and it's my birthday. Yeah. I just want to let everybody know it's my birthday. Now me and Asia are going to Bali, Indonesia. So excited. The bags is packed.
Bags are packed.
We're ready to go. We're at the airport. Heavy. Okay, but I'll pay that little fee because it just has to come with me. It doesn't matter. So I don't know. They're just like, we're just standing here waiting to check in and all that stuff. Did you ever check in?
I did not.
Let's do that right now. We made it to Korea. We have a short layover, not too long, I think like an hour layover here in Korea, and then off to Bali. I'm trying to go to a terminal. Yeah, just extended. This airport is really nice. We just went through like, I guess what, customs? It was super quiet. We was like 6 people in there. Look at the pupils. Oh, ooh, okay, I would say, oh my god. It's about to go down. We literally just walked in. We made it to Bali through the airport. All the things, okay, we'll talk about it later, but let's go ahead and give you guys a tour. We didn't even go look at everything ourselves, but we went to do it with y'all.
I'm gonna dip my ass in there, boy.
What?
We gonna open some shit. We gonna open that bottle.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. Oh my god, we came here for a good time, not a long time. What was I saying? We were put on game a little bit because people have traveled outside the country and to Bali before we came here. So real quick, where's my phone? Long story short, I feel like we're trying to get hustled inside the airport, picking up baggage. Like, this dude came up to us and he's like, hey, like, I got y'all bags. It's just y'all two? I'm like, yeah. Like, but he works for the airport. I feel like he wanted a tip. And I'm like, it's just 2 bags. We good.
Mind you, we both looking at each other like,
why you coming to us? He did tell us to like go ahead and do like this QR code, whatever. That was really nice. That was really helpful. But I'm sitting here like, what do you want? We leave the airport, got our bags, went through all the things, scanned passport, boom. As soon as we
don't stop there.
Taxi, well, taxi, you need taxi?
You better price.
Oh, low, because low rates. It's like, it's a swarm of people and they're like, yeah, it was just a lot happening. But first app and put you on is Grab. Hold on, let me show y'all. This is what I got the taxi from, and you can, yeah, I'll put it on the screen. You can order taxis, they have food, it's like Uber Eats, they have all types of stuff. It's not excursions, what do you call it? Scooters and stuff like that. And then Also, they be trying to hustle you for a SIM card. You can buy a SIM card for 30, 40, however many extra dollars. But another app won't put you on Airlo, and pretty much we had our SIM card stuff figured out before we even landed in Bali.
Yes.
In Korea, we like downloaded the app. You pay for the gigabytes. You don't have to take out a SIM, put in a new SIM, keep up with the SIM. You don't have to do none of that. Yeah. So that was real convenient. Other than that, we made it through here seamlessly. Thank you, God. We're in Bali. It's about to be my birthday.
So this is what we got. Oh. And it's the Niahshontae tropical island rum. I'm a rum girl, so I'm happy with this. But it sounds pretty good. It was giving like sugarcane taste, and
we gonna see.
It says you are gonna have a straight up attitude. I don't know what that means. Whatever.
Oh,
whatever. So we gonna pop this open.
It's 3 o'clock. It's 4. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up.
We just up and doing stuff at this one. We about to go get that pool. I'm about to throw on my little bathing.
Right, I have plenty. It's beat up because yes, there's a lot in my bag. This is just a thank you, a little sprinkle. Thank you for coming.
Of course.
Thank you for the birthday.
Of course, it's in a purple bag.
Yeah.
Let's see what this girl got for me.
Told you that you lying.
It's not giving sugarcane, boo.
This shit
burns.
Yes. Like, you got a bite to it.
I don't like it. I don't know. I mean, we gonna drink it.
If only we knew better.
Okay, I can deal with it.
Okay.
Orange juice.
Orange juice, it is.
Yeah. That by itself, straight rubbing alcohol. Absolutely not.
Shall see you guys in the morning for the rest of the festivities that we get into. I can't believe I'm in Bali. Oh my god! This shower is about to be so bomb with the rain. We are dressed and ready to go. My camera is not fully charged because we didn't have converters to charge our shit. Well, we're working on it, okay? And in here they got the fans going. I don't know if they have AC, but it's really nice in here. So we finished eating at the avocado factory. The food was bomb. Okay. Yeah, everything was really good. So now we're walking around the local area. We're looking for a market, but it's so much stuff happening over here. Like it's so many shops and places to go over here. So we're just gonna explore. Be careful now. It's just like, look at it. It's so much happening. No, it's okay. The people on scooters, we rode a scooter over here, and I have that footage on my phone. I didn't put my camera out. Both of us was on the back. No, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Was on the back of a scooter. What's the degrees out here? Shit.
Let's try not to die.
Say hey.
Hello.
Come shop with him.
Yeah. Yeah, like this, eh? Like this.
Thank you. You have a nice day. Yeah, I said, yeah, I'm being cheap. Shoot. We just bought some converters.
And now we're trying to look for a nail shop so I can get these nails done. My thumbnails popped off. So we're trying to look. Usually there's always one that pops up randomly like as we're walking.
Yeah, that's a lot of places around here. Like it's stuff in every single place, like every single corner you turn, there's shops. You wanna keep walking? Y'all, the man gave me a bad one, so I have to get another one.
He was all nice in that store.
But once the clock strikes 12, it's gonna be a holiday. I'm excited. It doesn't feel real. It doesn't feel like, I don't know. It feels not real. I'm here, I'm alive, I'm blessed, I'm happy. I'm in Bali.
Two ladies from USA.
Yes! He's really sweet.
Okay. Enjoy, ladies.
Thank you.
Okay.
He's super sweet. He was telling us about his time in America when he visited. And you like America?
Of course, yes, I do.
What state were you living in again?
South Dakota, in the middle of nowhere, you know. Smear.
All
My
right.
name is Big Daddy. You know?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy, man.
Hey girl, hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue.
We're at the grocery store picking up a couple of things. Picking up a couple of things. Show me nails.
I got a fix, guys.
What had happened was I ate the food, or I started eating it. Y'all see that? Oh, it's gone. Okay, perfect. It's post-dinner. I just got out the shower. Nice, fresh and clean, not sticky, sweaty, stinky no more. Well, I was never stank, but definitely sweaty and sticky. And right now, we are about to drink, decorate, and get dressed to go out. I was telling y'all earlier, dinner was bomb. We've been eating. Every place that we ate has been busting. Okay, but yeah, we about to decorate the Airbnb a little bit for tomorrow because it's my birthday. And then, yeah, we're gonna be drinking while we're doing that, and we're gonna go out to the club. And then I saw this Instagram page, Black in Bali, and they ended up having an event going on tonight. So it's perfect, and it was free. So we got our free tickets, and we are going to be club hopping, 2 places. We'll see, but yeah, it's 2 different places. So I'm excited about that. This is the fit for tonight, but of course I'll show y'all that. So it's just this little dress I got from Fashion Nova, and then I have this bag from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm going to be wearing these shoes with it. I think it's fun. Come together, real nice. Okay, let's taste it. Bartender. I already feel this drink. Get it sexy. But yeah, we finna be decorating. I'm probably gonna speed this footage up. Yeah. Cause we gotta play some music.
True. And cue the music now.
There we go.
that like on TV. Like, oh my God.
This make you feel like though. Yall, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off.
My feet was hurting. Wow. Yeah, but we about to get in a pool too. We're not about to go to bed. It's 44. So we are back from the club. We went to the little Afrobeat thing that was very much a vibe. I had fun there, and then we went to the Shishi nightclub, and like they said, like the third floor or the second floor was like R&B and hip hop. But then one of the ladies that worked there was like, she was super sweet. She was like, yeah, it's very much outdated and like, and we experienced that, and we immediately went downstairs and was like, just got a hookah instead, and was just vibing out downstairs. So yeah, we smoked hookah and talked downstairs at Shishi nightclub, and it was free for women. We had to pay to get into like the little Afrobeat thing, but at the same time, it's very cheap in Bali, so it is what it is. And so yeah, now we're back. It's 2:45 in the morning, and we're about to go upstairs at pool because yeah, we'll sleep another time. Pool time over. It's cold. It's not cold, but it's just like a breeze and cold. That was fun.
It's cold. It's a little chilly.
Buenos dias, putas. We got some breakfast going on. Cooking the beef bacon that I'm super excited to eat. Oh my God, I'm gonna fuck this bacon up. Today's agenda is relaxation. Oh, the agenda. Spa, butterfly garden, dinner reservation. Tell me that don't look good.
Good morning.
Butcher.
That smells good. I've also, I've never had beef bacon before. So this is my first time.
It'll change your life. Well, I was thinking that, but I was like, I don't know if you want.
Yeah,
Exhale.
It's giving cornball. I would have to find
Another word for it. Yeah.
That fits, but
Too Pookie. Aww.
Hey, you're welcome.
I was gonna call this taxi because we need a car. I forgot this is recording. Yes, ma'am.
It's to be happy.
It feels good out here today. It feels good. Is that a bunny rabbit? Oh, that's a cat.
What?
I was like, is that a bunny rabbit in a cage? After that crazy ass, long ass ride, we made it to the waterfall. It's gonna rain. My camera's dying and it started to rain. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Oh my god! I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wanna do it?
Just hold it. Just let it.
It's alright, they're just tickling. They're not bad.
Cacao, chocolate.
Yeah. Just the skin.
Okay.
Wow.
Fermentation, the skin we remove it. For the regular coffee, we use the skin also. The skin we directly process. We look at this different. There is a skin with dye. And
Trapping off the iPhone because the camera is dead.
Number 1 is
I like that. I love some tea. I love me some tea. I have boxes of tea. It smells good. It smells good. I have boxes of tea on deck in my room. I just love tea. That's really good.
all right. So you know what's crazy? Putting on off and it doesn't work. Number 2,
I need it.
turmeric tea. This one. That's good too. I've had turmeric tea, but it's kind of sweet though.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
It didn't taste how I thought it was going to taste, but I like it.
Okay, what's next?
Lemongrass tea. I like lemongrass shots. Never had the tea.
I've
I don't
never
think.
had a lemongrass shot.
That's good. Mm-hmm. I want to buy all of them. Damn, this is good. I want all of them.
Yummy?
They all are bangers. I'm just gonna throw these back.
Alright.
Poop coffee.
Poo coffee.
Smells good. It smells rich.
Okay.
You got this. It's gonna be yummy.
Damn, it's hot.
Isn't it? It is serious.
I mean, it tastes like regular coffee, honestly. It does. It just tastes like regular coffee.
But you didn't say that. You didn't say that it poured it in one of those to make it sweeter.
Why would we want to do that?
Because it might be good.
No, because we're going to be out here shitting our asses off.
That's good. You gotta eat this shit. What's
No.
this one? You don't want to? I want to.
Go ahead. She out here
Which one?
experimenting.
Which one you want?
Do the vanilla one. Now, if you get some diarrhea on the way back, I don't want to hear shit about it.
You want to hear shit about it?
It's good.
We can pay 50. We gonna drink this shit. I am dressed for my birthday dinner. My camera died earlier. We had a long ride back. We didn't get to take any type of naps. But this is what I'm looking like. I'm about to go eat some good food. So just got on. Yeah. Real cute. And we're out of here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Okay, something to drink?
Good morning, Pak.
No. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Aduh.
I need something for my stomach because I'm like starving. And she got some coffee. 150?
50 per what?
How many?
50.
50? Your change?
Yes.
Okay.
Mangosteen?
Mango?
Mangosteen?
Mangosteen 5,000 won.
No thanks.
The mangosteen.
Is the coffee good?
It is good.
Mm.
Is that the coffee?
Yes. It's tasty.
Yeah. There's a lot of
You wanted the bite?
But you will do the coffee and tea tasting later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. More poop coffee.
Hello.
Do you?
Yeah, that's what I actually don't know where we're at.
I could have sworn. Yeah, he did tell us that we looked at home here first and then.
But I didn't know what it's called.
So how long do you stay in Bali?
We've been here for
For
a couple days now.
Cash?
cash money.
Is it cash only?
Yes, cash only.
Oh, Lord.
God damn.
If you don't, I will get my cash from the car.
I don't have 100.
I don't have cash.
Yeah. Oh, enough. Just for two.
One or two?
I think it is easier for you. I bring your bag. This one, your bag.
What about it?
I bring.
You want to bring?
Yes, no problem.
Oh, you want to hold it for
Yeah.
me? Oh,
It is easier for you.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Vlogging and all that.
It's so pretty.
Do you want to?
We left the waterfall. That was fun. It was really beautiful.
I need to go to the toilet. So do you want to change or not? Because you are going to go to the next waterfall. I think you can keep it there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was I saying? So yeah, we was at the waterfall and that was fun. Took lots of pictures. I didn't really put my camera out because it was misty everywhere and I didn't want to get this wet, so had to keep that safe. Our tour guide was really nice and really good about taking our pictures, and he was taking other people's pictures too. That was really sweet.
He's a really nice guy.
He is.
So cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
About to be crazy.
I wonder if it's the one. Yeah, I should have got some tissue.
You need to clean the water from the handful.
Oh, all of them?
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
no problem.
Yeah. And we were definitely wet. Like, there was no being cute and staying kind of dry.
Face wet.
Dripping hair. Like. Now we're eating lunch. This is the first meal that we had all day. Starving. So gorgeous.
We have two types of ginger. We have regular ginger and also red ginger, but for the taste, the ginger is more like spicy.
I could chew it?
You want to try? It's okay. The taste is, but for me, I don't like it. You can feel the taste of ginger.
I'm actually surprised.
Yeah. It's like citrusy and gingery.
More sweet, more
That was how we got the idea of the luwak coffee.
here that we have one animal because a lot of tourists come here, they don't know how to the animals. So we have lots.
We are at the temple. So peaceful out here. It's come that time in the vlog where my camera starts to try to die. However, bitch, you heard that? I don't even know what's over there, but I don't want to walk that way.
What was that?
It was like growling. Anyway, we're trying to go to the swing. Is the swing down here? Swing? Oh, okay.
I don't want to go back over there.
The Bali swing. Well, one of them. Good morning. Hey vlog. So it is April 11th. No, it's not. It's April 10th. And yesterday my camera died, of course. The end of the day, I think I left off with y'all seeing us at the the rice fields where we got on the Bali swing. Every day you're gonna see us at the Cocoa Market, okay, or walking past or something.
I still have yet to walk in there and look at something.
I know. Damn, I meant to get a water out the refrigerator. I could, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's up to you. They probably got waters at the store.
They do, and that's what I'm gonna wait on.
We need all of that.
I need all of it.
All of that. And I'm out here looking funny because I want it to be comfy.
Yes. Oh, I had to. 1898. Yeah. Go taxi. And this is just for it. Will it stay? How long?
Sorry?
Like it'll stay there or?
No. It is until on Sunday, so we will do the arrangement.
Okay.
Telling me that you really want it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand how I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna.
There are a couple caterpillars in here with me. This is my past, present, and future. And this is the message. And the food has a code. And I can look to see what the food is in the menu. The food is...
Yeah, now I have to look.
You ready? Yes. Thank you.
That's a good one.
Right, I didn't know. That's salad looks.
She's a vlogger.
Yes. We would have Panera, but that's what this reminds me of. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
And you should open it.
Do I just take the whole thing or just open it?
We call it lucky charms.
Oh, this is so
So we call it lucky
cute.
charms. So we always hope that you will always lucky.
Oh, thank you. So nice. Good morning, friends. It's the last morning in Bali. Yesterday was our last night. Well, technically, tonight's our last night because our plane does not leave until 11 p.m. and it is 9:54. Checkout is at 11. I just got dressed. My stuff is basically packed. Yeah, like this is all I have left. But yeah, I really like this. Anyway, so we're gonna stay around Canggu until it's time to leave. We might go to a day club. There is it's calling me. Hold on. Hey, yada. Anyway, I'm gonna finish getting my things together and we're gonna see what we're gonna get into today. Change of plans. I had to put on, well, I didn't have to, but I put on this bathing suit and I might change these shorts, but I put on these shorts. And just in case we go to the day club, you know what I'm saying, we got something to wear because we're gonna leave our luggage. Or should I wear this black short set? Or should I just wear these orange shorts with this? I promise I could fit them. Should I keep this on? My whole booty up. Bye Bali. So cute up here. I just had to come up here one more time and see it. Oh shit. All right, time to go. Hello. So we checked out the Airbnb and we're dropping our bags off at this yoga studio. One that I found on Bounce that I told you guys about, the app, to where you can drop your bags off. And just like that, we're bag free. And it was only $4. But like I was saying, it was only $4 until 9 p.m. because like I said, we have a late flight. So we're gonna go to the beach club, walk around, explore, you know, do the things, the last minute adventures in Bali. And then we'll be out of here because Fins has a shower and whatnot. And I have my clothes with me. Yeah, this Telfar has been getting me through the trip, okay? Like, we go together real bad. Oh, why are these waves so big like that? No. So what a lovely sight though. Hello. No, we don't.
Could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood.
And I had to try to sneak some alcohol in here and maybe throw that away.
That you really want it, watch her hide it. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand how I like it. Can you?
The alcohol is definitely in here.
Set up my whole body if I give you my time. Can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat.
Now we're just gonna leave, walk around, see what's going on here before we go get our bags and head back to the airport. Friends Beach Club, it was okay. in my opinion. Like, they make you pay for everything. We couldn't leave our shoes anywhere. They took our shoes, put them somewhere and lost and found. And then like, I couldn't bring my tripod in. You can't sit anywhere but the restaurant. Like, but the food was busting. Okay, the food was really good. So that's a good thing. Hi. We're finished getting our tattoos and we just picked our stuff up from the place. No! Are you serious? We could tell them to tape it or something, or... Oh, God. Are you a bitch? We're throwing on the court. Hey, bitch. We don't do the arguing. Like a bitch. Still with a bitch. Y'all, after we got our tattoos, we was ripping and running. Well, not really, because we was in traffic. But we was trying to hurry up because our flight was at 11. And we had to get our baggage, check our baggage in, go through immigration, which we're doing now, customs, you know, all that type of stuff. But we're gonna make it on time, I think. It's 10:12. I have to do a little draw to the gate, but I think we good for the most part.
A little key break because
We both got
like a ladder right there.
Yeah, that's it. But this was a fun, this is a good story. Go get tattoos right before they get on the plane. With minimal time to get to the airport that was an hour away. Yeah.
We all
No risk, no story.
No risk, no story, baby.
This line is crazy. It's a lot of people. The lighting is crazy. We made it to Korea. We have one stop to go. I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. My camera's dying. I'm tired. I got stuff to do. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye. Bye. It's been real.